Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope that all of you are doing well. Welcome to physics class. Today we are going to talk about finding image formed by convex and concave lens. So here, as you know, that there are two types of lens. The first type is convex lens or converging lens, and the second one is concave lens or diverging lens. So here, as you can see, those lenses are quite different to each other. The first one, they try to focus the rays in one point or one focal point here. On the other hand, the concave lens try to diverge or spread out the rays. That is as if it is coming from the focal point. Those are the differences between those lenses. Okay, let's start with the first lens, that is convex lens. Here, in order to find the image formed by convex lens, you need to draw the lens first here, and then you have to draw the straight line. It is called as principal axis, and then this one is the focal point, and this one is 2f. I mean, for example, this one is 3 centimeters, so it must be 6 centimeters, like that. And suppose that this is my image, my object, sorry, this is my object, and there will be 3 fundamental rays that you need to draw in order to find the image. The first ray is this. It will pass through the center of the lens, okay? And then the second ray is this one. So first they will parallel to the principal axis, and then they pass through the focal point after leaving the lens. Okay, the next standard rays is this one. So the rays will pass through focal point, and then they will leave the lens parallel to the principal axis. And then as you can see here, there will be a meeting point. Okay, so this place or this point must be the position for the image. So like this. So if we describe this image, the image produced is real, inverted, and diminished or smaller than the object. So here there is a word real. What does it mean, real? Real means the rays do really pass to this image. That means the image is real. And if you place the screen here, then you can see the image on the screen. Okay, next, this is your assignment that I want you to find the image formed by convex lens, and here I have provided the position of the object. Okay, let's continue to the concave lens. Actually, it is similar like the previous lens. So what you need to do is just draw the concave lens here, and then try to find the focal point, and then 2f, twice the focal length here. Okay, and then this one is the principal axis. Okay, suppose that this is my object, and then let's us draw the first standard ray. So the first standard ray is parallel to the principal axis, and then it will spread out like this. So it is as if coming from the focal length, so focal point. So I draw it with a dashed line like this, because the ray is actually not coming from there, but as if it is coming from there. That's why I draw it with a dashed line. And then the second standard ray is just passing through the center of the lens. So here, as you can see, we see crossing point here, meeting point between those two rays. So this must be the image position for this object. So actually, in order to draw an image, you don't need to draw those 3 lines, only 2 is enough. Okay, so let's us describe the image formed by concave lens. So the image is virtual. Virtual means the rays is actually didn't pass through the image. So it is just as if it is forming there, but actually not. That's why we call it as virtual. And then upright and diminished or smaller than the object. Okay, so now this is your assignment. I will ask you to find the image formed by concave lens, and here I have provided the position, the object position. So you are going to find the image by using the position of the object here. Okay, that's all from me. If you have any further question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you for listening. See you. Bye bye.